Misty, where have you been? Here, grazing? Well, you should have told... I don't see Apache yet. Hey, girl. We gotta get you all ready to go to Alaska for your jumping show. Oh, I forgot. That was Wednesday. We have to leave today. Ugh. Better go get ready. Come on, Misty. Come on, girl. Get in the trailer. You too, Apache. Who are those? Oh, it's the, jumpers from Texas. Hey, babe, they're here. Cool. Aren't you gonna say hi? Later, I'm eating apples. Okay. Ugh, a boy stallion. Misty, be careful. Don't worry. You better be careful, because if you bother me like 3 more times, I'm dumping you. Okay, I'm sorry. Good. Now, I'm going to go meet him. Freak out, you're gone. Sorry. Just be careful. I will. Hi, I'm the famous jumper, Misty. You might have heard of me. Not really. You haven't? No. Oh. Well, I'm Misty. Nice to meet you, Misty. I'm Bae. Nice to meet you, Bae.